Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 4 to 10, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see, Cancer, ano yung ganap sa inyo ngayong week na ito? For Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. You have Mercury, communication, learning, Pisces, and 11th house. Oh, may mga ano kayo ngayon. Wonderful ideas. Creative ideas kasi Pisces is also connected sa imagination, creativity, and 11th house is being being seen, nakikita ng mundo or being in a community. So I think if your career is related sa communication or laging nag-iisip, no? Or nasa technology, you will have new creative ideas na may improve yung iyong career, yung iyong business, yung iyong financial situation. Okay? So I also see more connections sa mga friends ngayong week na to. Pwedeng merong mga magpaplano na kayo sama-sama ulit. Reunion, ganyan. Let's see, ano pa. You have the Queen of Wands. I think, yung iba sa inyo na meron kayong platform, no? Meron kayong, when I say may platform kayo, ibig sabihin you are being seen by a lot of people, may following, no? Meron kayong mga followers. You are going to gain popularity, more popularity this week sa field or sa area na kung saan kayo naroroon, okay? So, dun kayo mas makakakuha ng recognition sa ibang tao. You also have a transformation or a major change that's going to happen this week. So, let's see, ano pa. You have the 7 of Cups. Wow. Cancer, merong major change sa inyo. Yes. This is in terms of your career. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng mag-change kayo ng career. Pwedeng biglaan, pwedeng ikaw mismo yung may desisyon yan, or wala kang magagawa. So, pwedeng yung iba, tatanggalin sa trabaho, or magsasara yung company. But, this change will lead you to your financial stability. So, ano man tong mga changes na to. Sa una, medyo mako-confuse ka bakit nangyayari yan. But this is a transformation. This is a process na kailangan mong pagdaanan para totally mabago yung current situation mo, especially in your career, in your finances. So, yung iba, parang sabihin niya na bakit ganito nangyayari? But biglaan. But this is a blessing in disguise for some of you. It feels like you are meant to be in the creative industry. Something na, you are creating using your talents, your skills, your arts, your abilities. May mga unsuccessful plans ka. So, maaring itong mga plano mo na to is kumbaga related siya doon sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon currently, but change is coming. Minsan kasi kahit anong plano natin, kung hindi naman talaga yon yung meant for us to do, it will not happen. See? Merong good news. Merong mang hindi mag-workout na plan for you, pero merong good news. Okay? This is a blessing in disguise. You are also going to deal or have a relationship with a woman, blonde, gray, or white hair. So, maaring very prominent tong person na to sa buhay mo. This can be your mother, this can be someone na you are very close with, pwedeng business partner din to. You need to defend yourself. Hidden secrets can harm you and involvement with the law. Ooh. Some of you, Cancer, maaring meron kayong haharaping legal matters. Okay? Or pwedeng family member. Kasi pwedeng hindi ito nabanggit sa inyo, nasabi sa inyo, but you have to still deal with this kasi pwedeng family member to. But for some of you, this is directly connected sa inyo na kailangan nyong ipagtanggol ang inyong mga sarili. Okay? So, ano rin, kumbaga, ingat-ingat din. Kasi merong hidden secrets eh. So, pwedeng ma-involve kayo sa isang gossip, no? Na pwedeng chismis, yan. Tapos pwedeng umabot sa demandahan or merong mediation, okay? So syempre hindi naman yan for everyone, but still, if you are in that situation na napapaligiran ka ng mga mahilig mag-chismis, medyo umiwas ka na doon para iwas rin sa gulo. Okay? So, this is the energy of Cancer. Sa inyo talaga to. Oh. Merong Mars. Mars in Cancer in the first house. Whoa. Some of you might experience emotional, parang sudden urge of emotions or conflict within yourself. So, pwede itong parang kumbaga sarili mo yung kalaban mo rito. So, you have to be careful rin with how you handle your emotions. Huwag kang masyadong, yung parang magpapadala sa emosyon mo kasi pwedeng dyan magsimula yung conflict with someone. This can be sa katrabaho or with a random people. So, that's why be very careful. Let's see, ano pa. Huwag masyadong magpadala sa init ng ulo, ganyan. You have the Hierophant, you have the Chariot. Wow, ang ganda. The Chariot is about success. And the World, wow, ang ganda nito, Cancer. So, I think you will be achieving something achieving success related sa ibang bansa or pwedeng may opportunity na mag-open up sa'yo sa ibang bansa, no? And this can also mean someone might also parang mag-aano sa'yo, magme-mentor, tutulong sa'yo, like a teacher that will train you. So, i-follow mo lang to kasi meron ditong success for you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.